Hi everyone, it's Joanna Bojarska, the beauty expert, and I am a professional beauty therapist and the founder of Beauty by Joanna. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and you have chosen great video, as today I am starting a new series of videos on my YouTube channel, Self-Care Facials at Home. This series will consist of 5 different episodes where I will be showing you examples of mini facials at home for different skin types. So you can treat it as an inspiration for your own at-home facials. If you are my follower or my client, you already know how much I value at-home skincare routine and weekly facials. I think everyone should have a routine to help them maintain their skin at home in between visits at the professional beauty studio. And just before I will start this little tutorial, I would like you to remember that if you struggle or if you need a little bit of help with designing your at-home facial or your skincare routine, then I am here to help you. So you can always book a consultation with me and we can create your personalized at-home self-care routine. And all the contact details, as usual, will be listed in the description box below this video. And now, without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. This is the episode 1 of my self-care facials at home series, and today we will focus on the sensitive skin, and I will show you the example of mini home facial which you can do if your main skin concern is skin sensitivity. Generally speaking, people with sensitive skin will benefit from treatments which will be calming, soothing, reducing redness and inflammation in their skin. If your skin is sensitive, you have probably noticed that it doesn't really tolerate too many products at once. It doesn't like freezing cold or very high heat, and it doesn't really react too great for the very heavy scented fragrance products. But on the other hand, you still need a good cleanse, exfoliation and active in your skin. But when you're planning your at-home facial, I would rather focus on calming, soothing and hydrating the skin, and I will leave those more in-depth treatments to the professionals. Okay, and now let's start our little tutorial. Cleanse your skin with a gentle cleanser. Lotion, balm, maybe a very light foam. Try to avoid scented products here as they might be irritating. Massage your skin gently. That should take at least a minute or two in order for the product to work. Then rinse the cleanser. Do not rub the towel against the skin. Gentle patting motions. Toner. Tone your skin with a gentle toner, definitely no alcohol. Rose water can be a very good choice. Toner will balance your pH levels and prepare the skin for the next steps. Gentle exfoliation. I would definitely avoid here traditional scrubs with beads inside, as they might be too harsh for the sensitive skin. I would rather use an exfoliating toner like this one from Aveda or an enzyme peeling from Clarena. In today's video I will be using Aveda exfoliant, so I will simply just put it on the cotton pad and wipe my skin gently. Face massage. This is an optional step, but still I would highly recommend to treat yourself with one. And I have done a live stream on Facebook a few weeks ago where I was showing you how to do it. It's uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can go and check it out. And for the face massage, when it comes to the sensitive skin, you will be using very gentle moves. Strokes, circles, pressure points, everything what feels good to you, but remember about being gentle. And for the massage, you will need some kind of product which will give you the sleepiness. And my go-to product when it comes to the sensitive skin is Aveda Oleation Radiance Oil. I mean, it's great for all skin types, but sensitive complexions will love this product. It's 100% naturally derived and it's very gentle for your skin. Also great as an overnight facial oil. And then what you might also consider introducing is a jade roller, which will help you with the massage. Will also help you to sculpt, depuff and calm your skin, as it has very pleasant coolness to the stones. Great around the eyes area as well. Mask. And here, any type of soothing and deeply hydrating cream or sheet masks will be great. Masks with the cooling effect will be also really good, especially if you're dealing with loads of redness and irritation. So today I have chosen for myself a sheet mask with proteins and natural silk. This mask also has collagen, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, so it's great if you struggle with sensitivity. And here I'm also using my jade roller to massage the mask and active ingredients into the skin. Skincare. So now I will give you a few tips on what to look for and what better to avoid when you are choosing the skincare for the sensitive complexion. So first of all, try to choose the products with a bit more minimal ingredients list. Just in case you will have a reaction to one of them, then it will be easier to narrow them down. And now the ingredients which you will be looking for when choosing your skincare. Antioxidants, glycerin, niacinamide, stem cells, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, arnica, ceramides, algae extracts. Okay, so now let's go back to our skincare. So we have obviously cleansed our skin, exfoliated it, massaged and masked it. So now I would probably tone my face again, apply the essence, and then I will go with the serum. And today I am choosing Aveda Calm Concentrate, which is 97% naturally derived. It has algae extract, red raspberry plant stem cells, glycerin, Roman chamomile. So it's very soothing, restorative and balancing. And then I would apply an eye cream. Today I am choosing Aveda Energizing Eye Cream with caffeine extract. And then I will go with moisturizer, and here I'm choosing hydrating lotion, but there is also an option of sensitive lotion. This is a light, fragrance-free formula which keeps the skin hydrated and protects skin lipid barrier. Okay, and now SPF. This is very important for any skin type, but for the sensitive skin especially, as the last thing you want to do when you have a sensitive skin is to irritate it even more with UV rays. So if it comes to the sensitive skin, I would definitely go for a mineral/physical SPF, as there is less chance that it will irritate your skin. So always remember about your SPF. Okay, so that will be the example of my self-care facial at home for the sensitive skin. I hope you found this video helpful and useful, and as I said at the beginning, if you need any help with designing your own facials at home, then do not hesitate to contact me. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be uploading next episode of my series very soon and you don't want to miss out. And now thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!